I first bought two of these DC to DC step-down voltage regulator thingies. I bought them separately and they were like $1.50. Now I bought 10 of them for $6. 10 of them for $6. But what I didn't know is that they come like this, like in one piece. Yeah. DC to DC Mini-360 MP2307 DN E501. These are the dimensions of the whole thing. Or just one. I don't know. Yeah. It's Ritu. I bought a lot of things from this brand, like what do you call it? A smart TV box and retro gaming console, portable. They were mostly fine, with minor problems, but yeah, this was really cheap and hopefully they will work. The other two I used for Christmas lights. I bought some really cheap Christmas lights that are battery powered, and with these things I can just step down the voltage from a simple USB charger to 4.5 or 3 volts, whatever the Christmas lights need, and they can run forever. You don't waste batteries and stuff. You just connect it and yeah. Otherwise the batteries last maybe 2 days, 3 days, something like that. So this is a money and environment saver product. You can also power basically anything that has that needs 2 or 3 batteries, except maybe for remotes, which require something else, a lithium-ion battery and a charging circuit and stuff. But yeah, that's not the applications. Mainly if anything has a motor in it or a light. Basically those things can be handled by this. I don't know if it says it here, but it supports up to 2 amps. So that's up to 10 watts. 2 amps. Yeah, it depends on the voltage. In my case, I stepped down the voltage to 4. So it means 8 watts. And in the other case, with the 3 volt configuration, I stepped it down to 2.5. So yeah, that's 5 watts. So yeah, that's enough talking, and let's wait. How do you open this? Oh boy. Do you see the problem here? This is all melted and the starting points are here. Right on the... Yeah, let's see. You can open it like this. Okay. I thought it was going to go in a straight line, but if I forced it the right way, it, yeah, it opened. So let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah, and they are cut. Okay, no problem. They are cut. Look, where I bent it, it's already breaking. So yeah. But try not... Oh boy, yeah. Here the components are touching. So you don't want to bend that way. You want to bend the other way. So the parts are on the top and you bend it like this. Oh boy, these are tiny. I almost forgot how tiny these are. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh. So yeah. These are, I think, exactly the same as the ones I used. And let me just focus in on one chip. Come on, man. Why won't you focus? MP1482DS. And the other numbers don't matter, I think. So yeah, this is what I bought initially for twice as much money. Slightly different. I think the cuts make it smaller. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, this seems different. Maybe not. Whatever. But this is what I like. You can replace the potentiometer with two resistors. If you solder resistors here, then yeah, you can get rid of the potentiometer and you have fixed voltages. So yeah, you can buy a bunch of these, set them to 4 volts and install them into many of the same project. Oh, how do you say it? Yeah. Figure out the values of the resistors and install it in all of them and power things with 4 volts. So yeah, I'll put it in the description, an affiliate link, and also if I manage to test these to see... Wait, there's a difference here that I just noticed. These chips on the right have an indent, I mean a dot, and these have a printed dot, so this is just yeah, a minor difference here. But why? Let me just yeah, the number is the same on the chip. Yeah, MP1482DS. It's the same, but they are different chips. Physically different, I mean the top of them. Even the writing is printed on this and engraved on this. So yeah, just another thing to keep an eye on. If they use different stock, yeah. So yeah, I'll let you know if they all work. It shouldn't matter if the chips are different, even if they are counterfeit, whatever. It doesn't really matter in this application. Maybe if you want to push them in at the limit at 2 amps and they are using some known to be fragile chips. But yeah, for these low applications, I measured the Christmas lights I was powering. It required 0.07. That's 70 milliamps. So that's easily doable by even the worst counterfeit chip. But yeah, that would have drained the battery in a couple days. So yeah, these are a good replacement for that, I think, and long term we'll see in future videos.